Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about addition of functions. So given the example, f of x equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 and g of x equals 2x plus 3, find f plus g of x. Para ma-add ang functions na ito, ang una nating gagawin is pagtatapatin natin ang f of x at g of x. Ang katapat ng 2x ay 3x. At ang katapat ng 3 ay negative 4. At ang ating operation sa ating given ay plus or addition. After that, pwede na tayo mag-add. Since walang kapareho or walang i-add sa baba ang 2x squared, we-bring down lang natin siya. And then, 3 plus 2 is 5. Copy letter x. Positive. Negative 4 plus 3. They don't have the same sign, so the answer is 1. Subtract the given numbers. And then copy the sign of the bigger number, which is negative. Therefore, the addition of f and g of x is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. Ngayon naman, what if kung pinapahanap ang addition ng dalawang function at the same time ay pinapa-evaluate ito? So, we have the condition f plus g of 10. Ibig sabihin, after natin makuha ang sum ng f of x and g of x, i-evaluate natin ito using the value of x which is equal to 10. Itong nasa ating imperative o nasa ating condition. Para magawa yon, i-add muna natin ang dalawang functions. Muli, tapat lang natin ang parehong variables. So, ang 3x, ang kapareho niya ay 2x. Pareho sila ng degree. Ang negative 4, pareho niya ng value, parehong integers niya ang 3. After that, pwede na tayong mag-add. So, just bring down 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. After natin makuha ang addition of the two functions, pwede natin ilagay dito that x is equal to 10. Ito ay base sa ating imperative or condition. Then after that, papalitan lang natin ang lahat ng x ng 10. Then we have 10 squared is equal to 100 times 2. That's equal to 200. Plus 5 times 10 is 50 minus 1. Then, after natin makuha yon, we add 250. So, we have 250 minus 1, which is equal to 249. Therefore, ang value ng f plus g of 10 is equal to 249 from the functions f of x equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 and g of x equals 2x plus 3. So that's the end of our discussion for addition of functions. With that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye!